are Brooklands.
Try again then.
Here we are, Brooklands Valentines Day Fair, and we're gonna go some rides.
It's in Woking, isn't it?
Yeah, Woking.
So what have they got over here? Yeah, point the
Well-
camera. See the Woking you're looking at.
We're looking at some that rides. We've been to the airport where lots of planes are and some cars. We normally gone there before, but I don't think we've gone there.
That's a star flyer.
That is the Starfly. There to see a sign.
Okay.
If you can board your kids here if you want to. You can board your kids here if you want to. That's might be the worst, this one.
What's that?
That is a waltzer. It's really fast. People spin you in that ride.
What we got on the right hand side?
Bumper cars.
Who likes bump cars?
Do you want to say? What's your name? Hello. What's your name?
Okay, keep walking.
My favourite is the parachuter. Mum's favourite one is the bumper cars. You can go in the fun house.
Sizzler?
Yeah, Sizzler.
My favourite. You're going to do that with me?
And there's like a ice cream shop. You can go and get some ice cream. Alright, let's go on. So we're going to go on the parachuter.
So this is like Nace and Jackson's favourite ride to do together.
Here she goes.
Here she goes.
Okay, what else? One more. Hold tight. Let's go. Let's go.
One more time. Here they go. Oh, Jackson's looking a bit nervous on this one. But here we go. Hey! Woo! Yeah, I think Jackson's enjoying this one. So we get some footage of the paratrooper going around in a minute. Yeah, so we've been down the safety first, free to get in and look at the cars. We've got a little racetrack and everything around there. Yeah, we've done a nice sort of couple of hours down there. So we just thought we'd have a look at that and then come down and do the Funfair down here at Brooklands, Woking, Surrey. So yeah, it's on till the end of the week. Sort of like, I've got my dates now, I think it's until the 19th. Yeah, oh, here we go. Look at his face. Was it good?
You can do your super trooper now.
We'll do that in a bit. I'm going to be sick. Sorry? Oh, it's off now. Right, shall we go and see how much the mine train is? Go and find out whose it is. Whoa! Oh no, this is actually a new mine train.
That was fun.
Yeah, find out who's run away.
You believe that? That hurt your really here.
Did it?
Yeah.
Really push it on your chest?
Yeah.
Thomas Sneak.
Yeah.
That's who roller coaster this is. We haven't done it yet. Yeah, we definitely haven't done one like this.
Well, there's half on the box, half off.
Yeah, that's all right. At least it's nice and level. There, runaway train. Yeah, so this is Beaches Valentines. That's really high, isn't it? Hold on tight then. Woo. Oh, windy, isn't it? It's now. Oh. I don't like it either. Oh. It's alright, hold on. Hold on tight, both hands. Tight, two hands. That's it. This is fun now. Good. Yeah. Mamma mia. Don't like it now. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's enough now. Yeah, that's enough now. No, that is enough now. Yeah, that's enough now. I don't like it now. That's enough now. No, I don't like it now. I don't like it now. No, this is awful. You like it? Say, oh, shoot! Oh. Yeah. You enjoy that? Yeah, awesome. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about the language on that one. I'll try and bleep that out. I'm not very good.
For the
Not
next
very good with high. How good was that?
That's very hard.
That was high. Alright. That was something different. I haven't done one like that before, so yeah, good fun. Not going to go on the Ferris wheel with Nay, he's going to go on this by himself, so
Yeah. So, let's go next. I'm going to hold the camera so
Okay, sit back, hold tight. Here we go with this one.
right, let's go. Is that right? So, we're going to hold it on tight. Hold it on very tight. Right, starting right, guys. It's going to go very fast. Here we go, starting right now. Let's go. Come on. You like this? You're going to watch this one day. One day it's going to go very, very fast. I can see David. Never been on the swing before, but I've been on the slow one before. I haven't been in the fast one. Hi! Right, this is going to be perfect away. This ride is going to be very slow because we're going to move very fast. So. Say hello to anybody. Or you might see them always, maybe sometimes. If you watch these vlogs, subscribe and like. If you want to go this, go down. If you see Fluffy Vlogs, he will be down here one day. Fluffy Vlogs, close to crazy. One day you'll see them. You might see them, get to see them, and you might get to see me. This is me. Don't vlog anybody me. I normally like myself. I like myself for normal. Ooh, right, let's go. Cause someone moved. Right, it's raining, guys. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining.
There we go, you've got the bump cars there. We almost ran out of memory on my phone. Camera. We've got the extreme. So I'll get some footage of the extreme as it goes round. So yeah. Is Jaxson going on the extreme, is he? There we go. So I'm going to finish this vlog then because I've run out of memory on the card. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Jaxson, what should the boys and girls do?
The bouncy castle's closed.
Is it?
Look.
Oh, I've run out of memory now on the camera. Got.
Let's look.
Running out. It's running out. That's it.